Well, good morning, peeps. It's Saturday morning. It was almost 6 o'clock now. I've been here since about quarter after 4. Couldn't sleep. Fell asleep in the chair about 8 o'clock, so got up at about 3, quarter after. Couldn't sleep, so I'm out here at the shop. I'll give you a little update while I'm out here. We're working on a dump truck to get it ready to go to plow snow. Here's the old Dodgem. Put a new grill in it, new fenders. We got rocker panels coming for it. Put a upgraded transmission in it. We took the, what is it? I don't know, this light duty piece of junk out of it. And put a, I think it's an NV56 in it. It's a heavier cast iron. So we had to do, rebuilt the transfer case. Unfortunately, the case has got a little crack in it. It's leaking. So we're going to have to pull it back out. But anyway, put new drive shafts in it. Rebuilt the constant velocity joint on the front. Jammed up and smashed the old transfer case. So that wasn't good. Put a new drive shaft in the back. Got rid of the midship bearing. Built new drive shaft. So we're trying to get that truck fit to run. They cleaned it up. So the previous occupant left it like a landfill. So anyway, what I'm doing, I'm working on the saw auger for this little sandwich saw. Now this is the bar that was on it. It's just too short. So what I did is I got a 30-inch bell bar, because I have no idea what this bar didn't even have any numbers on it, and that saw is obsolete. So the tip went out of this anyway. But I couldn't cut through the logs with it. It's too short. So there's my bell bar. So what I'm doing is I'm drilling and tapping the arbor for a, so I can put the bell bar on it. So what I got to do, I'm drilling these holes and tapping them. I got a 5/8 NC 5/8 course here, which is this tap. I already tapped that hole. And then I got to drill these two holes. So you drill them with a 5/16 and then you tap them out to 3/8 course. I got the tap here ready to go. And then this bar will mount. And then what I gotta have to do is I gotta trim this bar like back here. See how these were on that? Well, it's over there, but you gotta cut the tail off this bar, like, because this is too long. No big deal. So, but then I can just get bell bars for it and just trim them once I get the holes drilled in my arbor. That's the arbor for that little saw. And what I'm doing, I'm going to drill those holes and tap them. So if you guys want to hang out and check that out, you're more than welcome. So I'll prop you up over here somewhere. Maybe you can. I know I still haven't forgotten about the contest. We're going to try and do it tomorrow morning. I'm sorry, I got to figure out where my oil is going to come in at right here. Where is it? Right there. And take a die grinder and grind a little slot in that if it's not damn near perfect, right? You know what I mean? So the oil can get into the bar. See these holes on the bar? These holes here oil it. So I've got to move these a little bit, not much. Boy, it's gonna be real close. I got to try and figure out where that is, and I'll just die grind a little slot in it, or take a grinder wheel and just make a little groove so the oil can get over and get into. There's my rear mount bolt, so I just got to make a little bit of adjustment there so it can get oil to the bar groove. I don't think the oiler works on it right now. I got to get working, but I will. Yeah, so I got plenty of bolt there. That should work. Now Bell used a metric bolts on these, but I tapped them to standard because I got piles of standard bolts. So I don't know if I can get you guys set up so you can see this tap deal or not. Impossible with this thing. I'll see what I can do one-handed here, get this started. Alright, so Try and get it started nice and straight. I'm going to clean that off. Should have just got my GoPro. Okay, so I'm just going to clean my little tap off. It's got junk all over it. Junk. Sorry, I need 2 hands to get this started. Alright, most of you folks probably understand this setup, but what I'm doing is cutting threads here with a tap, bottom tap basically. So usually try and give it a little bit of oil and just work it back and forth a little, cleans the findings out. Like I said, I'm a logger, not a machinist. I can do the crude stuff. Actually, I kind of enjoy doing this stuff if I'm not in a mad rush to, try and get logs out. That's the problem. Doing this, I can't produce logs, and that's how I pay my bills. So it gets stressful when you can't do everything, But all right, I think this will work. Yep, okay. So that should be my bolt pattern, and it should work. Let's see. Oh yeah, baby, yeah, look at that. Oops, dropping you. My bolt hole will line up nicely. Okay, I'll make another one later and show you how it works. Ta-ta, y'all.